News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
Came back from seeing Modi ji in New York, and it was very inspirational, especially for me as the next future generation to see him. I've been really excited seeing what he's done for India. Hello, my name is Rachita Shukla. This is my dad, Ravindra Shukla. We're here from Fairfax, Virginia, and we just came back from meeting Modi ji in New York. It was a very inspirational event hearing him speak, and I've been very excited seeing what changes he has made and benefits for India and US and its relations, and I'm excited to see how much further we grow in the future. Thank you.
Okay, you will speak?
Yeah, sure. So it's exceptionally amazing to see the way Modi ji inspiring the new generation. It's not just about the growth and development US-India relation. A lot of new kids are getting inspired. In the bus, we saw almost like 20 to 30% kids from all the age group, and they're all excited about Modi ji. They're talking about the development, growth, how it is going to benefit US-India, and the kind of like a positive impact is bringing on the next generation. That is very exceptional. The leadership is already well known from all different angles. We saw the Quad Summit with Japan, with Australia, with US, and the kind of reception and value Modi ji gets. But seeing the new generations getting excited with his vision getting impacted positively, it's amazing. We are looking for this kind of leadership to continue. Thank you.
We are made in India. We people are made in India, and wherever we go, right, we take the prosperity with us. We take the greatness with us. We really, prosper not just among ourselves, the land where we live also. So glad to be here. Thank you.
Okay, what do you feel? Can you say something? Now.
I am Gurcharan Singh. We are here to honor respectable Honorable Prime Minister Modi. He is here in New York. He came to attend the Quad meeting, and we are here to welcome him. All Sikh community came here, Indian community came here, and he has given us what reform so far is going on in the country. Country is doing very good under his leadership. There are some issues which we have raised with him, and he is quite interested to do something. And he is also interested to help Sikhs, whoever they are right now in the jail, and he is trying to help us. Thank you.
Okay. जगह गलत है डार कर रहे पिछली बुराई ना ਮੋਹਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਕਨੇਜਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਮੋਦੀ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਹੁਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਕਾਫੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਓਕੇ here we go. You want to speak first?
My name is Dayal Sagar. I'm from Washington DC area. I've come to attend Modi ji's US visit, and this was very awesome, and the crowd was too much, and it was very difficult to handle the situation, and I was a volunteer, and the speech Modi ji gave, it inspired everyone just like before every time. And we want people of India and Indian people in America, they want Modi ji again and again.
Hello, my name is Narsimha Telugunta. I am from DMV area. Today's event is extremely awesome, and there were more than 20,000 people attended the event, and logistics are unbelievable. I think so much of security and everything was taken care properly, and Modi ji came, and everybody went on. Really liked the program, and this is what actually happens. Modi ji is a great motivator and inspirer. We are happy to attend this event, and extremely happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Are you from DC also? From DC?
Yeah. I'm from DC. I told you.
Here you go.
I'm Khande Rao.
President of Foundation for Indian Diaspora Studies. I am also Director of Indian American Community of West Coast USA, which is the host of this event. Today we had a fantastic event. It was so exciting. More than 25,000 people had registered, 600 organizations and 400 volunteers relentlessly worked for last 6 to 8 weeks. Daily there were meetings and coordinations and lot of opportunity for people to work. They were so much excited. Today it was so happy to hear and have Modi ji among us. He wonderfully covered the progress that happened in Bharat in the last 10 years. Also the America and India partnership. So that is also very important cornerstone that he covered. And finally he announced a couple of upcoming consulates in the United States. Overall, under his leadership, not only Bharat progressed, but also US-India relationship also progressed a lot. We are all feel proud. We meet many people and getting lot of feedback. They are really thrilled. They feel proud about India's progress. They feel proud about Indian diaspora members. So I'm happy to be here.
Now, give your name.
मैं बलजिंदर सिंह शमी। आज हम न्यूयॉर्क आए हैं क्योंकि इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी जहां स्टेडियम में उनकी कम्युनिटी रिसेप्शन थी। कल उनका समिट था डेलावेयर विद प्रेसिडेंट बाइडन। आज कम्युनिटी रिसेप्शन में हम सभी लोग आए हैं, दूर ऑल ओवर अमेरिका से लोग पहुंचे हैं और पूरा हॉल फुल था। और मोदी जी ने अपनी जो तीसरी टर्म है आई उसमें उसके बारे में बताया और पिछले 10 सालों के बारे में जो जो उन्होंने उपलब्धियां की है उसके बारे में बताया। और 2 न्यू खुशखबरी सुना के गया कि जो बॉस्टन में एंड लॉस एंजलिस में 2 न्यू काउंसलेट खुल रहे हैं। काफ़ी देर से डिमांड की लोगों की इधर के। सो ये तो बहुत बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट की है। सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंजॉयड। ही डिड ए ग्रेट स्पीच बहुत अच्छी थी उनकी। सो everyone loved it, and thanks to Modi ji for coming here, and we welcome you.
Dr. Anjupreet here in Uniondale, New York, and we had a great grand celebration to welcome Prime Minister Modi. More than 15,000 diaspora came here from across the country, and it was such a festive atmosphere. It felt like someone elder from our country, from our own family is here, and he apprised us of all the achievements and the big heights that India is attaining. The 5G network, the increase in the metro cities, AIIMS, IITs, the healthcare, and promoting the super millets. And he is aimed, he is very focused person, and that leader is going for the progress together for India and USA. The way he is bringing India closer to the world and making it a manufacturing hub, be it mobiles or in the coming times, be it satellites. We are so proud to have Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the leader for our country, who is turning out to be a very global leader, and the whole world looks to him, not only Indians.